Hey, it's Kyle Battis from NH Strategic Marketing coming at you with day 3 of our 12 days of Christmas. Reminder, we're giving away $1,500 worth of amazing gifts, give you a head start on your Christmas shopping. Maybe you want to keep some of these presents for yourself. I don't know. I won't tell either. If you win, it's yours and you can do with it what you want. So today, I want to just quickly tell you about another service that we offer, website hosting and website maintenance plans. We do a lot of this. We migrate sites from other people's servers over to our server. We got a very fast Google Cloud-based server called Kinsta. It is lightning fast, and we can also do daily backups on your website. We provide a free SSL certificate to make sure your site is secure. Google actually pays close attention to that, and you can actually lose SEO benefits by not having a secure site. So we take care of all that for you. And for our website maintenance clients, we also do, we manage all of the updates that need to happen under the hood of your WordPress website to make sure it runs smoothly. Just like my toy shop full of elves making new toys for all the good little boys and girls. So if you're interested in learning more about that, just go to meetwithkyle.com. There'll be a link below this video where you can do that too. And a reminder for the 12 days of Christmas promotion we're doing, all you have to do is like, comment, and share. Super simple. And you're in the running to win any of these amazing prizes that I've got listed below this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. We appreciate you and happy holidays.